Hello friends, next part in computer graphics is raster scan displays and random scan displays. First we'll study raster scan displays. The electron beam is swept across the screen one row at a time from top to bottom. Means okay, this is the electron beam. Okay, so here it display a rows at a time from top to bottom, and finally it displays all the lines, okay, from top to bottom. Okay, as it moves across each row, the beam intensity is turned on and off to create pattern of illuminated spots. Okay, so if you want to display some triangle like this, okay, so it display the spots. Okay, so if it is turned on means it displays the particular picture. Okay, so if it is on means it displays. Okay, so whenever you line a draw, okay, wherever that point you want, okay, it just display it. Okay, that beam intensity is turned on. Okay, when the beam intensity turned on, it display that point. Okay, and off means it not display. Okay, so whenever is required, it displays. Suppose here at this point you want to display, okay, that intensity get on. Okay, so here don't want, no, so not displayed. Okay, here in this position the intensity is off. Okay, so here we want display. So next here is want display. Here it displays the intensity is on. The scanning process is called refreshing. Each complete scanning of a screen normally called frame. Okay, so refreshing is very important. Okay, to display continuously. Okay, to display continuously, to present that particular picture continuously, you need to refresh it. Okay, if you not refresh, okay, the picture will not display. Okay, you display for some time, then get disappear. If you want to display continuously, if you want to display that particular picture continuously, you need to refresh. That is called refreshing. Each complete scanning of a screen is normally called frame. Okay, that complete scanning of a screen is called a frame. The refresh rate called frame rate is normally 60 to 80 frames per second. Okay, it refreshes rate is what? 60 to 80 frames per second. Okay, 60 to 80 frames per second get refresh, and described as 60 hertz to 80 hertz. Okay, 60 hertz to 80 hertz per second. Picture definition is stored in a memory area called frame buffer. Okay, the picture definition is stored in a memory area is called frame buffer. The frame buffer stores the intensity values for all the screen points. Okay, this is called screen point. Okay, these are our screen points. Okay, each screen point is called pixel. Okay, this is one pixel, this is one pixel. Okay, these screen points are called pixel. Okay, that frame buffer stores the intensity values for all the screen point. It stores all the intensity values of these screen points. Okay, property of raster scan is aspect ratio, which defined as number of pixel columns divided by number of scan lines that can be displayed by the system. Okay, the property of raster scan is aspect ratio, which define number of pixels. Okay, so number of pixels, okay, total how many pixels are there. Okay, then divided by number of scan lines. These are what? Scan lines. Okay, these are lines are what? Scan lines. In case of black and white systems, okay, if it is a black and white, on black and white system, the frame buffer storing the values of pixel is called bitmap. Okay, in black and white monitor, in black and white screener CRT, the frame buffer storing the values of pixel is called bitmap. Each entry in the bitmap is a 1-bit data which determine on. Okay, if it is on means it displays. Okay, that is 1. Off means 0 of the intensity of the pixel. Okay, 1 means that pixel get activated, it displays. Okay, or 0 means that pixel is not displaced. In case of color system, on color system, the frame buffer storing the values of the pixel is called pixmap. If it is black and white, bitmap. If it is color system, it's called pixmap. Though nowadays many graphics libraries name it to bitmap too. Okay, nowadays there is no black and white monitors, all are color monitors. Okay, so in color monitor also we say bitmap also. Okay, we say actual word is pixmap, but we also say bitmap also. Each entry in the pixmap occupies a number of bits to represent the color of the pixel. Okay, it depends upon the number of bits. Okay, it represents what the color of the pixel. Okay, so for a true color display, the number of bits for each entry is 24. Okay, for a true color display, the number of bits for each entry is 24. 8 bits per red. Okay, 8 bits for red color, 8 bits for green color, 8 bits for blue channel. Okay, so each channel equal 28 equal to 256 levels. Okay, of intensity value. Each channel 28 equal to 256 levels of intensity value. That is 256 voltage settings for each of the red, green and blue. Okay, so 8 bits means what? 25 voltage settings for red, for green and blue. Electron guns. Next, random scan displays. Okay, when operated as random scan display unit, a CRT has the electron beam directed only to those parts of the screen where a picture is displayed. Okay, for example, we want to display this picture. Okay, so it display on that picture only. Okay, the electron beam directed only on those parts of the screen. Okay, where picture is to display. Okay, so this is full screen, but you want to display here, so directly the beam is directed only to those parts of the screen. Okay, only to that part of the screen only it directed. Pictures are generated as line drawing with the electron beam tracing out the component line one after another. Okay, the picture generated as line drawing with the electron beam tracing out the component. Okay, so here, so first start from here. Okay, then displays like this, then okay, continuously go on displays like this. Okay, finally, so start from here, it displays like this. Okay, then at the end comes here. Okay, so start from here. Okay, start from here, after that then like this, then come like this, then come like this. Okay, this is first step. Initially nothing, in first step it displays like this, then like this, and after that this line. Okay, so it displays the triangle. A pen plotter operates in a similar way and is an example of random scan hard copy device. Okay, a pen plotter operates in a similar way. Pen plotter starts with here, then it draws here, then draws here, then finally draws here. Then refresh rate on random scan system depends on the number of lines to be displayed on that system. Okay, refresh rate on random scan. Okay, the meaning is what? If the more number of lines to be displayed, then you have to refresh rate many times. Okay, if there are less number of lines to display, then refresh rate is less. Picture definition is now stored as a set of line drawing commands in an area of memory referred to as display list, refresh display file, vector file or display program. Okay, so how you store the line drawing commands? Okay, so the picture definition is stored in what? A line drawing commands. Okay, that is called display list, refresh display data, or we say vector file or display program. To display a specified picture, the system cycles through the set of commands in the display file, drawing each component line in turn. Okay, so how you display a particular picture? Okay, there is a cycle to the set of command. There are many commands are there. Okay, so in raster scan you go on draw. Okay, but here we are using some commands. Okay, some commands we are using here to display, to draw a line. After all line drawing commands have been processed, the system cycles back to the first line command in the list. Okay, after completing the required picture, or after completion of all the lines, then it move back to the starting position. Random scan displays are designed to draw all the components lines of picture 30 to 60 times each second. Okay, these components are designed to draw all the components. Okay, these random scan displays are designed to draw all the component lines of picture 30 to 60 times each second, with up to 1 lakh short lines in the display list. When small set of lines is to be displayed, each refresh cycle is delayed to avoid very high refresh rate. Okay, if there is a few number of lines are there, okay, then the refresh cycle is delayed. Okay, to avoid very high refresh rate, which could burn out the phosphor. Okay, if the refresh rate is high, okay, there is a chances of burn the phosphor. Okay, that about the random scan. Now we'll study the difference between raster scan system and random scan system. First, electron beam. In raster scan system, the electron beam is swept across the screen one row at a time from top to bottom. So here in a raster scan, what happened is, so first it displays the lines, okay, like this. It displays the lines. Then on that line it go on display the points. The electron beam is directed only to the parts of screen where a picture is to be drawn. Okay, the electron beam is directed only to that part of the screen where a picture is to be drawn. Okay, if for example here, okay, if you want to draw this shape, okay, directly pointed towards here, okay, then it go on draw like this, then go on draw like this, okay, then like this. Okay, second difference is resolution. Its resolution is poor. Okay, in raster scan system, the resolution is poor because raster system in contrast produces zigzag lines that are plotted as discrete point sets. Okay, so raster scan displays what zigzag lines here. See, for example, okay, so here it displays what not straight line here. Okay, it displays what zigzag lines. Okay, the line is not straight here. Okay, it displays what zigzag line. That are plotted on discrete point sets. Its resolution is good. In a random scan system, the resolution is good because this system produces smooth lines drawing, because CRT beam directly follows the line path. Okay, so in a random scan system, the resolution is good. Okay, because it displays what smooth lines. Next, third difference is picture definition. Picture definition is stored as set of intensity values for all screen points called pixel in a refresh buffer area. Okay, where all the picture definitions are stored. Okay, stored as set of intensity values for all screen points, that is called pixel in a refresh buffer area. Okay, in random scan, picture definition is stored as a set of line drawing instructions in a display file. Okay, so it is stored in a display file. It's stored as set of line drawing instruction. Okay, so from where to start, then where to go. Okay, all the instructions are stored in display file. Next, fourth difference is realistic display. The capability of this system, okay, in the raster scan, the capability of this system to store intensity values for pixel makes it well suited for the realistic display of scenes. Contains shadow and color pattern. Okay, so it stores the intensity values for pixel. Where in random scan, these systems are designed for line drawing and can't display realistic shaded scene. Okay, so these systems are designed for line drawing, only to smooth lines. Okay, but in raster scan, you can draw the shadows, color, etc. Draw an image. In the raster scan, screen points, pixels are used to draw an image. Okay, here we use points, screen points or pixel. But in raster scan, okay, we use some mathematical functions are used to draw an image. Okay, use mathematical function to draw an image. Okay, this is about the difference between raster scan and random scan system. It is very important. Okay, thank you.